Hello everyone, I hope you are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest Python on your Windows 10 or 11. So in my PC I have already installed Python which was not the latest version. So let's check our Python version at first, and then we will upgrade our Python to the latest version. So in CMD we have to type Python space dash dash version to check our previous version. Now you can see the Python version is 3.13.5, which is not the latest Python version. So now we will download the latest Python version from the official website. So at first we go to the google.com here and type Python download. Then click this link here, click on it. Now we will download the Python 3.14.2. Click on it here. And simply it's downloaded, started and complete also. Now we will install this, click on it. Now here you can see the customize installation and install now. Here just click on customize installation. Everything is good. Now check for all users and click on next. And let's copy our path first, and I will tell you why I copy this path. So now check this mark again, add to Python environment variable. Okay. Let's install this and click on yes here, and it will installing the Python 3.14.2, which is the latest Python version. And also you can see the pre-release 3.15 will be update very soon. So, but now, for now, we will install the 3.14.2 in our computer. So we have to wait a few minutes for installing the Python latest version on your computer, and it's take a few minutes, not that much. So let's wait for the installation complete, and after that we will show you. Okay, it's pre-compiling standard library installing right now. Okay, you can see our Python 3.14.2 setup was successful. Now close and let's check our Python version at first. Now you can see a difference, which is you can see our latest Python version is installed, but it's showing the previous version, which is 3.13.5. And let's see our Python version. So I mean to say that in our computer, how the Python version installed. Let's check by this one. You can see I have installed the, you can see this one is this 3.13, and now we install the latest version, which is 3.14. But whenever we check our Python version, it will show the default one. So let's change our Python version, the default Python version, to environment. We have to find the environment. You can see the system environment variables here. Now click on environment variables and select the path and edit here. And we have to add the path that we copy before. Now Control V replaced. Now let's click on OK. But we think we need to restart our computer, but not the problem. Let's check the version right now. It show the same thing. But what you can do also, we will uninstall the version 3.13 here. So let's go to the remove programs here and find our previous Python version. You can see the two version is here, and we will uninstall the previous version. Click on uninstall here, and yes, and it will removing the previous Python version. So it will take a little bit time, but not that much take time. Within a few minutes it will be done. So let's wait, and after that we will check it's okay or not. Okay, Python 3.13.5 is uninstall was successful. And now let's check our Python version right now. Okay, Python was not found, it show. Let's check CMD again. Now you can see our Python, the latest version is 3.14.2 is successfully installed in this computer. So let's check the IDLE Python. Oh, it's the previous IDLE Python, that's why it's uninstalled, because I uninstalled this. Okay, now the IDLE Python 3.14. Let's open this. Okay, now let's run our simple program, which is, let's try to print this one. Hit enter. Successfully printing multi-technology. So I hope this video will help you. If this video works, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.